So growing up, Kailash, were you always into music?
I heard my father singing as a hobby. The philosophy he used to sing used to attract me more than singing. And that's where the real me was actually invented. Sant Kabir, Guru Nanak Dev, those poetry used to fascinate me like anything. At the age of 13, 14 years, I thought of I will learn classical. If any teenager says this, that I have to leave home because I want to learn music, so everyone got shocked. There was a conflict in the family. I was adamant enough to leave home and I did that. My real journey started since then. After that, I have been through so much of hardships because I have to survive. Survive with values. People used to ask me, बेटे क्या करते हो? मैं क्या जी मैं तो म्यूजिक सीख रहा हूँ, म्यूजिक करता हूँ. नहीं, वैसे क्या करते हो बेटे? म्यूजिक तो ठीक है, बट वैसे क्या करते हो? Everyone used to take music so lightly and I started hiding. I never disclosed that I'm into music. वो एक ज्वाला पनप रही थी, ज्वालामुखी अंदर ही अंदर लावा पनप रहा था, लेकिन बाहर से बर्फ से ढक के रखा हुआ था कि ज्वाला जिस दिन फटेगी बहुत बड़ी फटेगी, इसलिए अभी पलने
The values, the integrity, and the family structure that brought you up the way you are, I think you did an awesome job of preserving that.
My strength is because of my upbringing, that okay, I am brought up this way. So today I can be fully energetic without any chemical. I don't even drink Red Bull for that reason. People often get surprised that man, this guy is full of life, full of energy, as though I am on high. And I am genuinely on high. Always I am high on life. I think I must have, in my last birth, I must have drank so much. I must have, did so much of chemicals that in this birth also I am out of control. But in a good way. And that's where the energy goes to the fans and listeners, and that's where they find some connect.
Your very first song, Teri Diwani, which is I think till today the most popular, everybody hums that song. Share us a little bit about that and then a couple of lines would be really appreciated.
Yeah, after I became a little known name, after Allah Ke Bande as a film song, little bit name here and there and all. But then 2004 के beginning में all the best playback singer male category awards came to me. It was like a completely turn around the game. My style became one cult kind of a style. That okay, this kind of song will be composed for Kailash Kher only. So my first concert, Naresh Paresh, who were working on my album, I requested them that, dude, if you can play with me and I want to form a band with you people. And they were game for it. Only I am like 2-3 film songs old guy, but I had to perform for 2 hours. I was sitting and these two hunks were standing with guitar and bass guitar. So it was so funny looking band, yet it is so interesting. The sound was very interesting. I sang couple of my original compositions. Among them there was a Teri Diwani song where people went berserk, as though they know the song, and even my band members don't know this song. So I was singing almost extempore. There were different words at that time too. प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, हे मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, हरियरी सखी मैं कहा से कहूँ, मेरे हृदय उठे उड़ारी, प्रेम पियाला भर भर पीऊँ, हरिहारी मैं दिलहारी. तो तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी, हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी. So that's how my journey started, and the kind of music we present as Kailasa became so popular, and since then till now we have been doing concerts all around the world.
When you write for the band, and most of the songs are written by you, how do you decide about a particular album, the theme of the album?
For Rangile, the latest album, the kind of experiences now I am gaining. My childhood happened, my marriages happened now, I have a son. So all your, one feather in your cap, God is Almighty is adding.
Sure.
So you are learning so many emotional things, and that emotional thing only inspires you to do what you want to do now. I keep meeting with many people, and I keep observing so much of life. In everyone's life, 90% of time and energy we waste, and 10% only is being used. Like being formal, as though everyone is a camera in front of you, not a human. So human and humanly, we only get 10% amongst each other. Otherwise, always, oh hi, how are you, nice to meet you. People don't really mean it. We become one machine. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, nice to meet you, long time no see. Yeah, let's chat, man, let's catch up. Half the time, we just live because other is living that way. So Rangile happened, and there we sang, एक दो बार तो दो चार फंसा ले फंसा, अरे करके देख मर के देख जीने का मजा, घोट घोट पी ले जो इश्के दा बूटा, तो धुन रे धुन दिल की सुन, फिर क्या सच्चा झूठा, उड़ जा और चहक जरा, झूम और महक जरा, सत्कर्मों के खाले फल रसीले, ओ रंगीले, हाँ रंगीले, ओक से तो पीले, be original man, be real, don't fake, because your fakeness is killing you. That's where, Rangile album happened.
You also dedicated a song in the current album to your son, who wasn't, I think, even born then. You said, I think, he was about 6 months, your wife was 6 months pregnant.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about that. And
that song happened because my wife used to dream and nightmares and so many things. So she complained one day that आपको ख्वाब क्यों नहीं दिखते हैं, मुझे इतने ज़्यादा दिखते हैं, आप बच्चे की तरह खैड़ खैड़ सो जाते हो. तो मैंने उनको बोला, जी मैं ख्वाब नहीं देखता क्योंकि ख्वाब मुझे देखते हैं. वहाँ से एकदम अचानक माइंड जागा कि अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छी वाली थॉट आ गई. इट मीन्स ख्वाब इज सुप्रीम बीइंग, ही और शी और व्हिचएवर फॉर्म इट इज, it's watching me.
Sure.
It's looking at me like a baby. So then it all started. रात के 3 बजे मैं अपने म्यूजिक रूम में आया और मैंने ये गाना लिखा. एक अचंभा गाऊं मैं मन के ठाठ सुनाऊं, एक अचंभा गाऊं मैं मन के ठाठ सुनाऊं, जब कभी कभी हो मेरे बाबा जी निहारे आसमान से, हो मेरे बाबा जी निहारे आसमान से. तो ये गाना हमने बनाया कि वो जो ख्वाब हैं, वो जो बाबा हैं, वो जो सुप्रीम बीइंग है, वो मुझे देख रही है, और वो ऐसे देख रही है जैसे लाड़ कर रही है, लालित्य देकर वात्सल्य कर रही है, हमको खिला रही है गोदी में. वो ताकत कभी बहलावे मन सहलावे तन मुस्कावे, तक तक मुख मेरा, 3 त्रिलोक बसे तेरे घट भीतर, बतलावे मिटावे अंधेरा. हो कोई प्यारा जग से न्यारा, या कोई जोगी जती, उड़ा सा डूबा डूबा सा हो जिसकी भंगमती. मैं हंसता हंसता रहता हूँ उनके वरदान से, हो मेरे बाबा जी निहारे आसमान से, मेरे बाबा जी निहारे आसमान से.